We will always love Datsun/Nissan Z cars and their iconic silhouette, but one seller from Atlanta begs to differ with this one-of-a-kind build. Even better, the coupe is looking for a new home, courtesy of Craigslist. This is a 1974 Datsun 260Z, or, well, what used to be one. It's not just a car, it's a street rod with a drag car alter ego, treading very far from the finesse of the new Nissan Z. But beyond the looks, the car comes with an extensive list of modifications that will rival your 2 months' worth of grocery list. Under the hood lies a rebuilt Chrysler 392 cubic inch Hemi V8 from 1957 that's been overbored by 0.030 inches, boasting custom-made, 4-bolt main journals and a Milodon 7-quart oil pan. Everything's upgraded here, including Keith Black 390 hypereutectic alloy performance pistons, an Ed Iskenderian blower camshaft, and ARP head studs. There's even a Hampton 6-71 blower and intake manifold, and to top it off, it's rocking hot heads fender well headers, a BDS Enduro-style electronic fuel injection hat, and an Aeromotive A1000 fuel pump. The Fast XFI 2.0 tuning system ties these all together like a symphony conductor directing chaos. That's a long list of upgrades, but at least the car isn't hiding an electrified secret. According to the seller, the car hit 548 horsepower and 575 lb-ft of torque on the dyno at just 5,000 rpm, estimating 750 horsepower at 7,500 rpm. That's with the current 6 lbs of boost. A Tremec TKO 5-speed manual transmission sends power to this dragster's rear wheels, coupled to a McLeod RST Street twin clutch. A lot of work has gone into the chassis, and beneath the wild purple and great bodywork lies a 2x4 welded and buttressed custom-made rectangular steel frame. It's got a Lakewood Racing 4-bar traction system ensuring maximum grip. A narrowed 9-inch Ford rear axle and Mickey Thompson rear tires with 16-inch centerline drag wheels complete the ensemble, with upgraded disc brakes, because stopping is important too. The steel body of the Datsun 260Z is now dressed in a coat of purple and silver with yellow striping. Several body modifications are employed, though most of them serve their purpose of supporting the performance upgrades. Inside, there's a pair of Summit Racing sports seats, auto meter gauges, and a Locher floor-mounted accelerator. All this symphony of automotive absurdity obviously comes at a price. The seller says roughly $35,000 has been invested into the car, but he's willing to let it go for the bargain price of $27,500.